From the students of the Department of Meteorology and Atmospheric Science, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good evening, everyone. I'm student meteorologist Gavin Sandel here with your Monday evening forecast. Taking a time-lapse view of Beaver Stadium throughout the day, we did start off pretty clear. And one thing you can't really tell in the time-lapse, though, the clouds were moving really quickly in the morning, and that is one key note to take, that we have had very high winds today. Today, right now, 46 degrees here at about 5 p.m., which is a really nice day here in State College. We do have a low dew point, which is causing our conditions to be relatively dry, but that 24-mile-an-hour wind speed out of the northwest is certainly something that we don't normally see here in State College. Taking a look at the weather headlines, the wind is really caused by an intermission. And what does that mean? It's a, break in between a high and low pressure system. We're kind of in the middle of it. And the tight pressure gradients between those two pressure systems can cause very high winds coming our way. That'll end tomorrow, and we'll have warmth on the backside as a high pressure will skirt its way from the south coming up north, and rain will return once that high pressure system leaves its way, and we'll have a couple of chances of rain going into the weekend. Right now, 46 degrees as we end our Monday here in State College. Warm as you head south. Harrisburg and Philadelphia and Allentown as well are sitting in the mid to low 50s. Pittsburgh as well, you guys, are sitting at 51 degrees. And that's much warmer than what we saw yesterday. 13 degrees warmer than State College. And really the entire state, well, at least above 10 degrees minus Philadelphia. But if you look at this tomorrow, if you are watching a forecast on Tuesday, this map will be like this and then some. It'll be a very high temperature swing as we go into tomorrow. Not much to look at on the radar, and that's really due to the influence that the high pressure system is making. The entire country, that you could see kind of the circulation in the middle, Midwest, but going throughout really the eastern two-thirds of the country, there is no precipitation to worry about. A very chill day as you go into the precipitation. Wind speeds, though, and we're seeing multiple locations throughout Pennsylvania into the 20s in wind speeds, which is what caused very low wind chills in our area. But as you go throughout the rest of the day, these are wind gusts. They'll start to decline as you go into Tuesday, going into the 30s, then into the 20s, and then into Wednesday morning, maybe more easily unnoticeable wind gusts, 6 miles an hour just in State College. Going into the future with the radar, as I mentioned, you're not going to see much on the precipitation. So Tuesday at 3 p.m., there isn't much to make note of. And going into the night as well, there may be some clouds will stick around. However, it will look good going into Wednesday. Thursday is when we'll have our first little grasp of a system heading in our direction. This is at 8:30 p.m. The western portions of the state will start to feel a little low pressure system centered in the Midwest at that moment. And we'll start to see the brunt of the rain coming on Friday. A little shower, more nuisance type rain. And that's really what the spring systems are. We're starting to kick ourselves into spring, astronomical spring. It's just 10 days away. And we are starting to see, more spring-like scattered showers kind of systems, especially with that warmth we're going to see this week. Heading into tonight, though, this will be our final real taste of chill, 37 degrees with much gusty conditions, 20 to 25 mile an hour gusts possible out of the northwest. For tomorrow, that's when we'll start to crank up those temperatures. 60 degrees, much warmer, and the wind will be much lower than it was today. Heading into the 7-day forecast, really the entirety of the week, Tuesday through Friday, looks great. Friday, as Penn State baseball season will open up at home. That's why I put on Medler Field. You might see some showers, though the temperatures will absolutely be none to complain about. Saturday, Sunday, into Monday, we'll start to chill out a little bit, but still a very reasonable week ahead. With that, I'm Gavin Sandel. Enjoy the rest of your night.